Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Made About Construction. My name is Deepak Varshani. If you are a user of Guardian Garage Door Opener 21230L and recently facing problem related to the bulb, then this video is for you, because in this video I will show you how to open your cover and check your bulb or change it if it is necessary. Please be very careful while following this procedure and please stay tuned till the end to make sure we follow safe procedure. So first thing we will do is we will unplug the opener from the power socket and then remove these two screws. We need to remove these two screws. So first is on left hand side at top. Make sure you have a stable ladder and there is someone to help you. And then we will remove second screw. Now here we need to be very careful after removing. It will not fall down because it is fixed. So now here we have to remove very slowly, and please don't pull it because it is connected with the cable, otherwise you may damage it. Now here I will show you how to disconnect this cable. Here you just have to press this option here and then pull out. So this is how you can disconnect it. Now all these edges we have to make it loose a bit. You can use a screwdriver or you can just pull it out. So this is how it looks. Now this is screw bulb, so you have to rotate it like a screw to open it. As you can see here, the bulb is Tornado 12 watt. If you want to buy this bulb or any accessories, I will put the link in the description or in the top comment of this video. Now here it is written that the maximum volt is 60 watt, so you can use any bulb which is less than this volt, and it can configure on this socket. So you can again, if you change the bulb, you make sure it is properly fixed, and then it's quite similar procedure, but make sure you watch till the end. So now here we will carefully put in back and make sure the alignment is proper. So once you place it back in this cover, we will first need to connect with the cable, but make sure everything is properly lined with the edge. Now let me put it back. So first I will connect with the cable. It's same procedure, just press and push. And fix it inside the opener, and make sure all the edges are properly inserted. And now you can put your screws. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any comment or feedback, please drop them in the comment box below. Subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Till then, you take care. Goodbye.